Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, the Daily Forex. So in this video, I'm going to be trading on the euros and GBP markets to make some profit. Okay, so on this trade, I will be setting my lot size to 0.50. Okay, then I'm going to place a buy because on the market right now, I can see that the price has reached this level of the middle Bollinger bands on euro versus GBP market. Okay, and I am on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so if we go to the 1 minute time frame, we can clearly see that the market right here is selling, but on the 1 hour time frame it's buying. Okay, once it reaches this level, it's going to sell. So I'm going to place a buy and enter into about 6 positions or 10 positions. So let's see. Okay, so I entered into 10 positions with a lot size of 0.5. So the market is on the high, so I'm going to enter into more positions on a lot size of 0.5. Okay, so now I'm going to check the trade. Okay, let's see. I'm going back to the chart, zoom real quick, and I'm going to use this one. So I'm quickly going to use these indicators, which are these lines, to scale the market and see the trend clearly. Okay, so guys, once you made profits from the market just like this, you don't need to be greedy on the market. Once you're scalping, what you need to do is to take your profit and exit the market. Okay, so at this point, the market is going to reach this position. All right, you can see the green candle is going to reach that position. Even if it retests, it's going to create another buy, so it's going to reach that position because it's reached the middle Bollinger bands. Okay, so this is my order block at this point right here. So we are on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so the same situation that happened here, this green candle is gonna spike up to this point because it has reached this level on the Bollinger bands. Okay, it just reached this level on the Bollinger bands. So let's see. Okay, let's see, $10 profit. Let's see. Okay, so right now guys, we're on the profit. Now I'm going to close the trade. I'm going to close all the positions. Let's see, let's wait. Yeah, I'm going to close 174. So right now you just see guys that I just made some profit right there on the market. So I'm going to zoom. Like I said, this market is on a spike right on EURGBP. You can clearly see that the market's on a very bullish power. So I'm going to place another buy again. Remember, we're using a lot size of 0.5. Okay, so let's see how it's doing. Okay, so now guys, let's go back real quick. Okay, so I'm not using the automatic stop loss, so I'm using a manual stop loss. So remember, I'm scalping this trading. So during this scalping, once I'm in a profit, okay, let's see, let's close these positions. Bonk trade, close all, let it 200. Okay, so guys, so like right now you can see that the market is actually spiking up. Okay, this Bollinger bands is always useful. Okay, once the market of the green candle crosses this line, the middle line on the Bollinger bands, the market is going to spike real quick and it's going to sell. Okay, it's going to sell guys, it's going to sell. So when you're on the markets, as you can see, when you're trading on the market, once you made some profit through this scalping, you don't need to be greedy on the market. All you can just do is take your profit and take a rest. Okay, so guys, we can clearly see that I'm on a profit right here. The market actually went down below this point right here. Okay, so at this point you can clearly see that the market went down. Okay, it retested when it reached this position, but you can clearly see that this market will reach this level. Okay, so I'm going to close all the positions. Okay, so guys, as you can see at this point, okay, right here, when the market reached this level, it retested. Okay, it went back and it started creating another trend again. Okay, so that doesn't mean that the market won't reach this level that I have marked. Okay, you can see clearly, if I zoom, you can see this arrow right here. At this point, this market is going to reach this level because it has already crossed this middle Bollinger bands. Okay, so I'm going to show you the settings for the Bollinger bands. Okay, so the RSI is not really necessary. Okay, I only use it so that I'll be able to scale the market positions on my chart. Okay, so clearly I'm going to go back to the Bollinger bands and show you the settings. Okay, these are the settings on period 16, shift 0, and the deviation 1.986. Apply to close. The style used on 1 pixel with the straight line. The color, you can choose whatever color of your choice, but I'm using green, right? Then I'll click on done. So guys, I just made over $400 from this market on euro versus GBP. Okay, you can see that's the profit I made from this trade. Okay, you can see from this point I made a profit from here. I made a profit from this market, but in this video the profit I make was from this market. Okay, from this trade I took a buy from this position. Okay, I took a buy at this point. This was my order block. Okay, from here then I sold here. Okay, at this point. Okay, so guys, if you really like this video and you find value in this video, remember what I said on the market. Once the green line, the green candle crosses this middle Bollinger bands, okay, it's gonna give you a signal for a buy. Okay, it's gonna skyrocket, means the market is on a high bullish power. Okay, so like we can see right here, the market is clearly going up to this position before it's going to rotate. It will touch this line, this upper Bollinger bands. Okay, so guys, if you find value in this video, you really like this video, do well to like and subscribe to the Daily Forex. I will see you guys on the next video. I'm going to bring more educational content on boom and crash and also volatility indices. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video.